Hello viewers, welcome to Geetha on board. In this video I am going to show how to make a easy key holder. So we required is any one cardboard, brushes, and then Mouldit clay. Here I am using Fevicol. Then Acrylic colors. I have already sticked some fish, starfish, then octopus. This I made simply for other craft, but I am using here. To this I have added a few more. First I have added the background color with blue and white combination and blended slowly. And for the ground I have added yellow and light green. Next I started with the octopus. For this I used pink color, random. So whatever colors we pick, it will look good only, except this blue color. So we came to the end, almost it's completed, but I don't feel this. I want to add few more, so I just added the edges for the frame look. For this frame, first I added the black color, then on top of it I just finished with the gold finishing. Thank you for watching this video and hope you liked the video. Whoever not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and give feedback.